5 minutes to spare. Oof.
Carrying all our luggage.
During rush hour.
2 trains.
Crazy.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat this. We are back in Tokyo, and we start off with udon. I think this place is called Hanamaru. Here we go. We are here at teamLab Borderless. Look how cool this is. We're gonna draw a fish and a jellyfish, and then it goes on the wall. We're both drawing our fish now. So we're doing both miyaku miyaku. She's doing jellyfish miyaku miyaku, I'm doing puffer fish. Okay, so I finished mine. Megan's finishing coloring hers in. And we are done. Look how good Megan's turned out. Mine's a little sloppy. There he is. There he is. Let's see if we can find Megan's. Oh, there's Megan. That's so good. Mine's over there. Hi, jellyfish. Hi, jellyfish. It's Megan's jellyfish. I found mine. There it is.
Touch it.
Okay, go ahead. No, that's mean. Bye. Now he's over there. Oh, why is he farting hearts? We got our tea. This is roasted barley tea, rice milk latte, I think. It has some art with it. Wow. All right, Megan, what are we drinking?
Barley milk tea.
Okay.
Iced in a bowl.
Rice milk tea. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
I can't even see you. I literally cannot see you.
Okay.
Just drink it and tell us how it is.
Tastes like rice with milk, and like it's a tea, but it's good.
Good description.
Thanks.
Look at that. Look at the flowers.
I really like it.
I haven't picked mine up, so I don't have the petals.
All right, I'm gonna move my bowl to a new location. Let's see if a flower blooms there. I'm moving it right there. Let's see. Oh. There it is. Oh, is that a butterfly? Pretty.
Nico's gonna perform some magic.
Look, I'm gonna go to a new place to stand and then it goes around me. It starts to go around me. You see? Megan, go right here. Go right here and put your arms up. Like T-pose. Yeah. Look, so now that it crashes off Megan's shoulder. Whoa. And now Megan, come over here. And that's where Megan stood. Here we got some 3D calligraphy. Dinner time! Alright, we're vegging out here in Koko Ichibanya. We ordered on the tablet, got some water. Now we're gonna eat some dinner. And then go home.